Namaste, my name is Shalu. I am Ayurvedic Panchkarma therapist and beautician also. So today I show you face massage with Marma point. So first I show you Marma and then I show you massage step. Okay. So first we clean with rose water. First clean with rose water the full face. तुमको कहाँ बनाने को? Now clean face, then we give first Marma point without oil. So my first step is give pressure with thumb or finger from center of eyebrow of hair beginning in middle line. You see this part is middle line, both of eyebrow side, this. So we do with thumb, give pressure and round and slide up, and then give pressure, round and then slide up, pressure, round, then slide down, and again beginning start. 3 to 4 times. Pressure round, slide up, pressure round, slide up, pressure round, and then slide down, and then start again. So 4 to 5 times. So my next step is give the pressure round massage just above the both eyebrow. You see is this middle of eyebrow. With index finger do pressure and round, do pressure and round, do pressure and round, do pressure and round. Same 4 to 5 times. So my 3 step is squeeze the eyebrow pressure point of temporal region. Okay, so my both 2 finger, one index and then big one, and both side. You see, both side, and then other side, and gentle pressure and around. Same 4 to 5 round. Then my fourth step is squeeze the eyebrow and eyelid muscle. So with index finger and with thumb, squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. So cover is full eyebrow. Then 4 to 5 times. Okay, so now is nose. So nose is give pressure on both side of nose. So with index finger is both side. You see this. Give pressure and round. Pressure and round. Pressure and round. 10 to 15 times. Okay, so I repeat again. So my first step is middle of eyebrow with thumb, pressure round, slide up, pressure round, slide up, pressure round, slide up, pressure round, slide down. Okay, 4 to 5 times, and then eyebrow, middle of eyebrow, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, and then okay, and then squeeze eyebrow 4 to 5 times, and then nose, both side of nose, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round 10 to 15 times. So my head is complete and the nose complete. Then is upper lip. Upper lip of middle line you do is pressure and relief, pressure and then, and second option you do same pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, same 4 to 5 times, and then same upper lip, same middle, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round. Okay, so my next step is give gentle pressure with thumb and finger from the middle of chin to jaw line. So you see this part, my full jaw line. So with thumb and with finger do pressure. Same 4 to 5 times, and then gentle pressure just below the air level of the both side. You see this part is very sensitive part, so you don't give pressure, only gentle pressure. Pressure and relief, pressure and relief, pressure and relief 3 to 4 times. Okay, so now give pressure on air both side of together. So this part here, middle of air is both side, give pressure and relief, pressure and relief, pressure and relief, same 3 to 4 times. So I show you again, is head also complete and nose was complete. So now is middle of upper lip, middle, upper lip, pressure round, pressure round, pressure round, and then lower lip, pressure round, and then jaw line, squeeze, and then air level, very gentle, pressure relief, pressure relief, pressure relief, pressure relief, and then both side air. You see this part, pressure relief, pressure relief, pressure relief, pressure relief, pressure. Okay, this is face murmur point. Okay, so now is massage step for face. So my all step is 9 points for face. So now I show you step face massage. So this is Kumkumadi oil. This is very good Ayurvedic oil. So we use this one, few drops. This oil is good for, this is inside have is saffron, and this is good for dark spot, pimples, and fairness, many things. So I apply full face. Good applying, and then little bit neck also.